Hello, Jason.
Good to see you, Tony. How are you?
I'm great. And you?
Very good, thanks. I see you're at work, working hard.
I'm at work today. I work in the hybrid model. So I have to be at work 3 times a week. At week.
Ah, I see. So 2 days you can work from home, 3 days you're in the office.
Yeah, but
Oh,
I need to be honest that I perform better at work. So
yeah.
I'm trying to come here 5 days, but it's not something that my boss told me. It's just my
It's just what you do because you
yeah, yeah,
have integrity.
yeah, something that I like. I think that I can give more to the company when I'm
Yeah.
at here.
Do you know this word integrity?
Integrity, yeah,
Yeah.
it's
Okay. Yeah.
it's pretty close to Portuguese
Oh,
integridade.
yeah. Okay. Well, you have that. So yeah.
Okay,
Okay, man. Well, I asked ChatGPT for some job interview questions about data management,
nice.
and this is in the chat here. This is just a small selection. It gave me lots of questions. So if you want to, we could do some job interview practice. You want to
Yeah,
do that? Yeah.
yeah,
Okay.
100.
So let's start with the first question here. What types of databases have you worked with?
Uh, I I work since 2020, 2020 as a data product manager. So, in my experience, I have been working with uh, customers' data most of the time. So, we use this data to get information, and I'm responsible today for address data of our clients in Vivo, and that's it. I think what type of data? Most of the time was with data
Clients.
of sorry,
Yeah, the client's data.
the client's data and the behavior data, like how many questions he did to the chat. I work at previous. I worked in a company uh, uh, that responsible to create chats for big companies like Hyundai, and Renault, and others companies.
Wow. Okay. So behavioral data. Interesting.
Behavior data. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Question number two. Can you explain the difference between a data warehouse and a data lake? I don't know. So I hope you know.
I will try it.
Okay.
Data warehouse is where we can input the data that was selected and was and had a process like ATL, like ATL. I think it's like this ATL process. So we extract, transform, and load this data in a data warehouse where we can use it. Uh, it's not more data, is information right now. And when we talk about data lake, it's a lake of data, as the name explains. And there we can put a lot of data. Not They are not structured data; they are unstructured
Mm,
most of the time. So we can go there and get it to use it with other data or to create information.
that's a
It's
great explanation. So you could say in the lake, it is raw data.
raw
Yeah.
data.
It's unprocessed, unrefined.
Yeah,
Okay. Also, I can't remember if we talked about this, but in Australia, we say the long A. So we say data, right?
data.
Data. But that's Australian. So we also say um, tomato, right? Tomato. In the US, they say tomato, right?
Yeah.
Data, tomato, tomato. Yeah, so both are correct, but that's what I say. Okay, what about the next question, number 3? How do you ensure the quality?
Uh, that's the most difficult thing. Quality, it's I will open a, how can I say?
Yeah, I don't know. Oh,
Uh,
inverted commas, inverted quotes,
comments, yeah,
quotation marks.
quotation mark. Do you use this expression when you will talk something and you open it to talk about other thing and then
Yeah, you would just say in quotes like
in
that, or
quotes,
quotation marks. Yeah,
in quotes. So in quotes,
yeah.
quality is something that needs to be determined by someone, you know. So it's not something intrinsic. There, it's not intrinsic.
Good
Uh,
word. Yeah,
this term was created in the past by Plato. Uh,
I don't know.
it's I like to study philosophy, so in the past
Okay,
it did not have this word, this idea of quality, that
okay.
is that some product have some quality and others not. They was just saying that something is good and bad, you know. And he introduced this term. So quality is something that need to be determined by some determined
Determined.
determined.
Determined. So it's like mend. It's almost like mend.
No,
Determined.
determined. It's
Perfect.
something determined. It's something that we need to determine behavior, the start of construction of the data, you know, or the process. So the process is too important for this to ensure that the data will be good enough. For example, if I have a system that get information of the customers, but I have a problem there, like, oh, when you input your name, you can add, for example, uh, for example, other data than your name. So this is a problem. So we need to I need to study the start of the data to ensure that the data will be with quality. So I first of all I try to understand the process of this data, where it comes and how frequency this data is updated, and I try to apply the uh, five questions, five ways. How can I say? Five. Determine five.
Methods?
Yeah, it's like a method. It's like this date is updated. Is the first question. This data, it's something that's changed fast or no. So to
Hmm.
understand how this data will be used, so quality will the use of the data will determine the
Hmm.
quality. You know, the questions that I need to apply to know if this have quality.
Could you say prerequisites? The 5 prerequisites, 5 necessary things about the data.
Yeah, yeah,
Is that right?
prerequisites,
Okay.
prerequisites. And I try to understand the process, why we need this data, and where we use it, in which cases we can use it to determine if this data, what type of quality we need in this data. Of course, there is some of them that is for all of them like updated. Uh, to ensure that the data is correct and others. But it's a good question that I need to practice more.
That is very. This is very interesting for me, man. And I'm learning a lot. Your answers are good. Okay. Next one. What is data governance?
Data governance is a department, or it's a method that keep the quality of the data to ensure that the data have quality and it's dis- disponible
Just not sure.
available. Sorry,
Available. Okay. Yes.
available. It's
Yeah.
available to be used by the departments or by other companies, etc. So the governance is responsible to keep everything on track. Every data that's available.
So, does this mean somebody has this job? Like their job is to check the quality of the data and make sure it's secure and ready?
Yeah. Yes.
Wow.
But it, of course, they will not. They have some tools to do it.
Hmm.
Uh, the process, some automated
Yeah.
automatizations, some
Yeah.
automatizations, and there is all of big companies have a department of data governance, because data in the past they said that data is the new petrol. It's like that, the new petrol. That's
Wow.
how Google makes money,
Yeah.
how and others.
Yes. Fascinating, man. Okay. Next one. Hmm. How do you handle missing or inconsistent data?
uh, there is something that we have in mind when you start some projects, data projects, because you will not, you need to know that there is some inconsistency and you will miss some data, or something, some idea. So I try to be prepared to, uh, I try to be prepared asking questions to departments, for some departments, to understand how this data works there, how it started, uh, what is which is the purpose of this data that they are giving us. So I try to understand, and if I have some inconsistency, I try to get all uh, other, uh, we say origins, or origins, but I'm not
Okay.
sure if it's the same in English.
I'm guessing source. You need to
Other
find the
source.
source.
Yeah, source.
Is that
Uh,
right?
yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Other source to construct a better quality data. So
Fascinating. Yeah, man, your answers are good. Okay. Have you managed data migration projects?
um, no, to be honest, but I worked with some projects that was responsible uh, to understand the data that was migrated by other projects, but I did not manage a migration project.
Okay.
And
Mm.
there is something, Jason, that is interesting about companies, that when we have migrations data, all companies says like, we will finish this system, and it's never ends, the system, so they
Never.
never break or finish with the system.
Mm-hmm.
So there is a lot of systems that keep alive, keep working, but and the first moment was to finish with this. So
Amazing. Wow.
just
Okay. All right. And because this is my job, I want to double check. How did you say this?
uh, worked.
Yes, very good. Okay, perfect.
Worked.
Yeah, I wanted to make sure. All right. Next question. What experience do you have with ETL processes? I think you already talked about that.
Yeah. How I told you, as I told you, I worked on a company responsible to create AI chats, conversation chats, and I worked uh, with data to construct dashboards to present to the result of our customers conversation, our customers use using this chat. So I did a lot ETL process using data in Power BI, Link. That is other
I don't know what that is.
other program, and that's it. I I I dig it.
Okay. Well, this is great, man. This is some good practice. How do you feel about this kind of thing?
Uh, to be honest, I'm not. I'm sure that I did not was good enough answering these questions. I know that I know a lot more to to say, but
Mm,
probably my vocabulary is not so expensive and this uh, expensive. No, not expensive.
expensive. You could use
It's
that.
expensive,
Yeah.
uh, expensive, and I need to practice more.
Well,
Like,
this is good practice.
yeah, yeah, it
Yeah.
shows me where am I,
Yep.
and yeah, but
I can tell you, if it makes you feel any better, I do this kind of thing with a lot of students in Brazil,
yeah,
and a lot of them can't do this at all. I mean, you really are quite advanced, and your vocabulary is very good.
I think
Now, of course, I don't know anything about data management, so I don't know how much better your answers could be. But to me, you sound good. You sound confident. You sound like you know what you're talking about, and you're using English in a professional manner.
okay.
So
Thank
yeah,
you.
it's good. It's good. Well, we still got 11 minutes left. You want to do a few more?
Yes, yes, of course.
Okay, I got some technical knowledge questions here from our friend chat. Okay, number one.
Uh, which data tools
Hmm.
are you most familiar with? Uh, I'm most familiar with Power BI. There is two data. It's uh, a program that we use it to presentation data,
To present.
and to present data.
Yeah.
And I'm familiar with SQL. I don't know if you know what it is.
Absolutely not. No.
Is a program language that we use it to extract data from data source.
Oh,
So I'm familiar with SQL. Oh, the next question is SQL.
mm.
And big data, big data programs, big data programs.
Mm. Would you say you use all of these tools on a daily basis?
No, not today, because as a project manager, I need to work in the supervision, or
Mm.
I need to create presentations, some
Mm.
presentations.
Let me ask you a question about management. How do you feel about that? Like, do you think, do you feel like you have natural leadership skills?
Hmm, good question. Yes, I would say that I'm really confident that I have leader skills, because I'm I'm looking for the result, but I know that the people it's the key to achieve these results.
Mm.
The result. So what I try to do with my team is give them the tools and remove blocks as much as possible,
Mm.
to and give them space to work. And of course, sometimes I need to help them with some questions, some uh, technical and non-technical questions about the work, and give them the purpose to do that. So people need to propose most of the time and understand why they are doing some job, some work. So what I try to do is this. So
That's a great answer. I have one pronunciation tip. This is
okay.
purpose. Purpose.
Purpose.
Yeah,
Purpose.
you
Okay.
want to give them purpose or direction. You can say direction.
Direction.
That's just as common as purpose. Okay, very good. So you talked about SQL. What about the cloud platforms?
Yeah, here at the in Vivo, right? We work a lot with cloud platforms like Azure. Azure is uh, a platform, a data platform, cloud platform to be exactly from Amazon, and we work with big data platform from Google. Uh, it gives me like a blank. How can I say the
Yeah,
name of the platform? But we
say
work with
I'm drawing a blank. This is how you say that. I'm drawing a blank right now. I can't remember.
drawing.
Or you can say it's on the tip of my tongue. Tip of my tongue.
Okay.
It's almost there, but I can't remember.
Yeah, yeah. It's useful.
Yeah, it's a good one. Okay, next question. Well, it talks about that. All right. So the next question: what experience do you have with Power BI or Tableau? Tableau. How do you say that?
I worked with Power BI and Tableau. Worked in a project here in Vivo. This project was responsible to give the C levels information, some information to C levels, information about three other companies that's part of our group. So Vivo, it's the biggest company, telecom company in Brazil. That's why we are trying to uh, expand our kind of jobs, our presence, or our
Mm.
market share in others markets.
Yeah.
So in this project, I was responsible to construct Power BI data to and implement it to give the C levels information about these three companies. So in the past, we did not have this information together, united in just one board, uh, presentation board. So this project was responsible for it, and we worked for 1 year, uh, searching for uh, source data and constructing the best KPIs informations to the C level.
Good answer. Okay, and then the last, oh no, second last. Have you worked with machine learning teams?
No, but I did a course, 1 week course uh, in a school called Fortu. It's a school that started in France, and they have a different methodology uh, learning uh, eh, without professor or teachers. So you have
Wow.
learned by yourself and with your colleagues, and it's pretty interesting this method of learning.
Is it called 42 because is that a reference to Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, the Douglas Adams?
I'm not sure, but I think that that's it. Oh,
Yeah.
the question is, why we live, something like this,
Yeah.
right?
What is the meaning of the universe?
What
And
is
the
the
ants,
meaning of
yeah.
this?
And it took like
Multitude.
thousands of years or something to, and then it came
Yeah,
back and said 42. So funny.
there is no meaning. That's it.
It's fantastic. I love it. Okay, man, this is some great practice. We can do some more of this next week, or we could even, a month or two from now, we could do these questions again, just so you can have a second shot at them and see if you improve or feel better about it.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
whatever you want to
Uh,
do.
of course, that when I'm talking with in this interview, I had some breaks, right? To thinking about. Uh, Probably this will not be a good thing, right? To have so much breaks to think.
Like you mean a pause, like a
A
hesitation?
pause, yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
Hesitations, pause.
exactly. And of course, this is where practice is the most important thing. Eventually, you'll become faster and more natural with these answers.
Okay.
Yeah, this is
Thanks.
great, man. Okay, so what does the rest of your day look like? Have you had lunch yet?
Not yet. I will launch after here
Okay.
our conversation, and at the end of the day, I have a philosophy class in
Ah,
school.
you're really into that. This is your passion.
Yeah, yeah. Philosophy is
Oh,
really
okay.
part of me. I really like.
Maybe next time you could teach me a little more about Stoicism. One of my other students was trying to tell me about Stoicism.
Oh,
I'm
it's
not
nice.
sure I get it. Yeah, maybe you can
Yeah,
teach me.
you are talking with the right guy because
Yeah, you're into
I
it?
imagine myself as a stoicism guy. Stoic.
Wow. Okay. Well, I look forward to hearing a bit about that. Okay,
Yeah,
man. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.
you too.